AI is already recommending heating and air conditioning contractors to homeowners in your market. It's happening right now, every single day. And if you haven't set your business up to be one of those recommendations, you're invisible to a brand new stream of customers who will never find you on Google. Most heating and air conditioning contractor owners I talk to are still throwing $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a month at Google Ads. And on top of that, they're paying Angie and Home Advisor for shared leads that get sent to 4 other heating and air conditioning contractors at the same time. So you're paying for a lead, racing to call it first, and most of the time the homeowner already booked someone else by the time you pick up the phone. It's exhausting, it's expensive, and it's making you hate your own business. Meanwhile, AI is sitting there recommending heating and air conditioning contractors to homeowners every single day. Homeowners who are ready to book right now, not in 2 weeks, not after they shop around, right now. And those conversations are happening before that homeowner ever opens a browser, types in a search, or scrolls past your ad. If your business isn't set up to show up in those recommendations, you're not just losing, you're not even in the game. You're paying to play in the old game while your competitors are getting handed leads in the new one for free. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get AI to recommend your heating and air conditioning contractor business when someone asks ChatGPT, Google's AI overview, or any other AI tool for a heating and air conditioning contractor in your area. Specifically, you're going to learn the 3 things AI is looking at right now to decide which heating and air conditioning contractors to recommend, the one mistake almost every heating and air conditioning contractor owner is making that's making them completely invisible to AI, and the exact method we use to take a heating and air conditioning contractor in Washington, D.C. from buried in Google Maps to the top of the results, with AI now recommending them to homeowners in their service area every single day. I help local home service businesses rank in the top 3 on Google Maps and get recommended by AI. I just helped a client double their leads doing exactly this. So let's start with the part nobody's actually explaining to you, how AI decides who to recommend in the first place. Because once you understand this, every single thing I show you after this is going to make sense. AI recommendations are basically a popularity contest, but not the high school kind. It's not about who has the slickest website. It's not about who has the most trucks on the road. It's not even about who's been in business the longest. It's about who's been mentioned the most in the most trusted places, doing exactly what they say they do. Every review you have is a vote. Every directory listing your business shows up in is a vote. Every article that mentions you, every Chamber of Commerce page, every local sponsorship, those are all votes. And the heating and air conditioning contractor in your city with the most votes wins. AI sees those votes, adds them up, and recommends the company with the strongest signal. The companies that don't have those votes, they don't exist to AI, they're invisible. That brings me to the first thing AI is looking at. And this is where most heating and air conditioning contractor owners are getting it dead wrong. The first thing AI looks at is your Google business profile. This is the foundation. If your GBP is half filled out, missing categories, missing services, missing photos, AI doesn't have enough information to recommend you. It literally can't. It doesn't know what you do, where you do it, or whether you're even open. Most heating and air conditioning contractor owners I audit have one category selected on their profile, HVAC contractor. That's it. Meanwhile, their competitors have 10 or 15 categories selected: air conditioning contractor, furnace repair service, heating contractor, air conditioning repair service, heating equipment supplier, every category that matches what they actually do. Every category you fill in is another keyword AI ties your business to. Every category you leave empty is a keyword your competitor is winning. Same thing with your services list. Most heating and air conditioning contractor owners have 5 or 6 services listed. Your competitor has 30. When a homeowner asks AI who repairs heat pumps in Fort Wayne, guess which company comes up? The one with heat pump repair listed in their services, not the one with a generic catch-all. Now, most heating and air conditioning contractor owners watching this don't know what categories or services to use. They don't know what to write. They don't know where to start, so they leave it blank. And every day they leave it blank, AI is recommending their competitor. I built a free spreadsheet that solves this exact problem. Every category and service AI is looking at for heating and air conditioning contractors, plus the AI prompts to write your service descriptions, your product descriptions, your business description, and a photo plan to get 50 to 100 photos onto your profile. The link is in the description. I'll come back to it at the end. Next thing AI looks at is your website. And here's where it gets interesting. AI doesn't just look at whether you have a website. Every heating and air conditioning contractor has a website. AI looks at whether your website actually says what you do, where you do it, and whether it matches what your Google business profile says. Here's what I mean. Your GBP says you do furnace repair. AI then goes to your website to verify that. If your website doesn't have a page about furnace repair, AI doesn't trust the signal. If your website has one page called services that lists everything in a single paragraph, AI can't tell what you specialize in. If your website doesn't mention the cities you serve, AI assumes you only serve the city your office is in. The heating and air conditioning contractors AI is recommending right now have a page on their website for every single service they offer and every city they serve. Furnace repair page, AC repair page, heat pump installation page, emergency service page. One page, one keyword, one purpose. That structure is what tells AI exactly what to recommend you for. That's the second thing AI looks at, alignment between your GBP and your website. They have to match. The third thing AI is looking at is your votes. And this is the one most heating and air conditioning contractor owners completely ignore. Reviews are the obvious one. More 5-star reviews, more recent reviews, more reviews mentioning the specific service you want to rank for. If you want to rank for furnace repair, you need reviews that say the words furnace repair in them. But reviews are just the beginning. AI is looking at every place your business is mentioned across the internet. Yelp, Angie, BBB, Bing for Business, your local chamber of commerce, local sponsorships, youth sports teams, charity events, community fundraisers, best of articles, best heating and air conditioning contractors in Indianapolis, top AC repair in your city. Every one of those mentions is another vote telling AI your business is real, you're in your city, and you do what you say you do. Most heating and air conditioning contractor owners have 10 or 15 of these. Their top-ranked competitor has 100. That's the gap. Now I want to show you what this actually looks like when you put it all together. This is the heating and air conditioning contractor client I mentioned in Washington, D.C. When he came to me, he was completely buried in Google Maps. Not showing up, phone wasn't ringing from search. He was paying for ads and shared leads just to keep the trucks moving. We did exactly what I just walked you through. We cleaned up his Google business profile, added every relevant category, filled out every service, wrote out the service descriptions, added the photos. Then we built out his website to match. A page for every service, a page for every city he served, all aligned with what his GBP said. Then we started building votes. We got him into the DC Chamber of Commerce. We cleaned up his directory listings. We got him on Bing for Business, which wasn't even set up. We picked up a couple of small local sponsorships. Here's where he ended up. Top of Google Maps for his target keywords. AI recommending his business when homeowners ask ChatGPT for a heating and air conditioning contractor in his area, phone ringing every day, not from ads, not from paying for shared leads, from Google and AI recommending his business over every competitor in the city because he won the popularity contest. Now, most people watch this and the concept clicks. They get it, but then they sit down at their computer and they freeze. What categories do I actually pick? What services do I list? What pages do I build on my website? Where do I even start? That's where most heating and air conditioning contractor owners stop. And it's exactly why their competitors keep winning. If you want to see exactly how to fix this, click the link in the description and watch the short video on how to get free leads from Google by leveraging your Google business profile. When you watch it, you're going to get 2 bonuses. First, my step-by-step playbook on how to rank in the top 3 on Google Maps. And second, my Google business profile category and services cheat sheet built specifically for heating and air conditioning contractors, with AI prompts that write your service descriptions, your product descriptions, your business description, and a photo plan that shows you exactly how to get 50 to 100 photos onto your profile. That spreadsheet alone will get you ahead of 99% of heating and air conditioning contractors on Google Maps. The link is in the description. Click it, watch the video, get the bonuses, and start showing up where your customers are actually searching. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe. I put out new videos every week on how to rank your business on Google Maps and get more leads without paying for ads. And watch this next. The Authority 30 method is the fastest way to rank in Google Maps and start getting recommended by AI. I'll show you the whole system right here.